Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So Euro USD has pulled back from the 155 EMA to come and test the structure here, and this is a triangle. You can see there's the top of the triangle. Here's the series of higher lows, and we got the breakthrough. We are now busy with the retest. So this is an area we should be looking for opportunities to buy. We do have a crossover of the faster moving averages at the moment. Oscillator's not giving us much indications at the moment. If we drop down to the hour, you'll see on the 155 we're not exact, which is a bit of a concern, but inside bar. So two ways to play this today, and they are as follows. Just want to get the two levels in. Okay, so first one is a buying opportunity of 102.195, and you've got a relatively tight stop area here. If I just put that in there, now your stop is going to be below this area here, which should be off the trend line. I think the safer bet for me would be a break here. So a break and retest of 102.688 on the 15-minute chart. That would give you an opportunity for another move back up to the upside. What you need to bear in mind is that this here could be a double top. Lots of confusion. So that there could be a double top, and that coming down basically brings you back into this area here, and you can pick any one of these tails where price will be supported. Oh, that's Euro USD, a bit of a messy opportunity. So I think the best bet would be wait for a break of 102.688 for a long. Alternatively, just wait for structure lower down for an opportunity. You want to be long just based on the trend at the moment and the crossover that we have of these moving averages. So the trend has been up, big retracement, up, big retracement, up, big retracement. So just follow the pattern. Next, US dollar, Japanese yen, and pretty much all over the place. We have come back to, I won't say a decent area. If you look to the left, nothing that it's bouncing off here except the 155. If you look to the left, it's only that little cluster there. So what we're looking for is something lower down on the hour, which will give us the indication of what we're looking for. So moving averages have crossed over. We bounced off the 155 yesterday. So as far as I'm concerned, this area here, I'm just going to give you two areas. If we reject this zone here, that would be opportunity to get back in short. So that's 135.510, or alternatively 133.450. So 133.510, 133.450. That's the zone that you're looking for. You're looking for price to get back in there, and you're looking for rejection. Do that on the 15 minutes. The reason for that is you want to get a tight stop loss, and the volatility we've been having recently is quite large. So 15 minutes, as soon as you see inside bar, engulfing bars, or pin bars off the structure, you're looking for the break of the structure as your entry and your stop on the top of that entry. But I suspect that is continuing to the downside. British pound, Japanese yen, we were pretty much all over the place. Big tails to the upside, big tails to the downside last week, and I don't think anything's going to change. We do have a gap, and we've got a bit of structure. So look at all the buyers coming off this area here. And you can see they're using it as support, even tried here. Now we've broken through it. So we want to see that flipped into resistance. And how we're going to do that is wait for it. Don't want to be short down here. I want to be short higher up. And I'm just going to add another level here. You can see the interaction with this level as well. So first level is going to be 161.866. Not really interested in that one. I'm more interested in this level here, which is 162. So a rejection of 162 is an opportunity to look for more shorts, and the other one would be a little bit higher up, 162, 138. But definitely don't want to be short down here. So this could be bottom of a big range. If you draw a line along the top and the bottom, you can see this could be a range. Definitely don't want to be short here. Just looking at the oscillators, looking at everything, want to be short off a rejection higher up. Lastly, Euro British Pound, and another one where you've got a lot of selling coming in at the top here. You've got diversions. This pin bar that you've got here, not quite off any structure, but this level that I've got in here is a fairly strong level. So that's 0.84631. And if you look what I'm talking about, it's previous swing lows. It's been tested on the weekly before. So that's a fairly strong level that we have rejected. And our weekly bar was a relatively large rejection tail there. If we look at the hour, you can see what I'm talking about on this level. Look at all the interaction with it here over the last couple of weeks. So definitely don't want to be short here as well. If you look at that, I'm not comfortable being long at the moment. The trend is up, but we're not bouncing off any support. So if you look at that, we're really just trying to find our feet in a range of sorts. So shorts would only come into play once we drop below 0.84500 and come back and retest. And then you should see some crossovers. You see the oscillators group to the upside. That's kind of what we're looking for. And alternatively, looking for longs, we're going to need a decent break above 0.84631. So until one of those two things happen, I'm sit on hands with this pair. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.